Now we are on part 40 of our digital marketing journey, and let's continue talking about digital marketing for today's video. Moz provides a helpful tool called Keyword Explorer. By entering the keyword dried figs and specifying the United States, I can obtain data from Moz indicating a search volume ranging from 4,300 and 6,500. Additionally, the tool indicates that the difficulty level for this keyword is 41 out of 100. Consequently, based on this information, I can anticipate a click-through rate of approximately 41%. The notable advantage of Moz's Keyword Explorer tool is its ability to provide search analysis for specific keywords through the search engine results pages. With this feature, I can analyze the SERP for a given keyword within Moz. This allows me to gain insights into what my competition is doing and better understand their strategies and tactics in the search results. Using Moz's Keyword Explorer tool, I can analyze the rankings of other pages for a specific keyword. This helps me determine if optimizing for that keyword is worth pursuing. By examining the first page of search results, I can identify the websites that currently rank higher than ours. These sites represent the competition we need to surpass in order to achieve the top position on Google. Additionally, the tool allows me to observe the local results that appear for the keyword, providing further insights into the search landscape. I highly value Moz's Keyword Explorer tool for gaining insights into competitors and assessing keyword volume and difficulty. It is crucial to emphasize the significance of identifying a relevant keyword list. It cannot be stressed enough that we should prioritize keywords based on difficulty, volume, commercial intent, and most importantly, relevancy. Furthermore, we have the ability to identify trends by conducting a site search query on platforms like Amazon. This helps us understand what keywords our competitors are ranking for. By utilizing the Moz Keyword Explorer tool, we can input the keywords we are targeting and determine if our competitors are also ranking for those same keywords. Additionally, it is important to consider latent semantic indexing, which refers to finding keywords related to the topic of the page being optimized. LSI helps in expanding our keyword strategy and ensuring relevance to the page's content. When analyzing a page, if there are additional keywords present, it can be beneficial to consider those as well. This allows for a broader keyword selection. When choosing keywords, it is advisable to opt for a primary and secondary keyword. Therefore, referring back to our spreadsheet, it doesn't have to be limited to just one keyword like dried figs. Instead, we can select another keyword with a favorable volume to competition ratio. The key principle remains selecting keywords that are consistently relevant to our content and objectives. When conducting keyword analysis, the focus should always be on selecting relevant keywords. It is crucial to choose keywords that exhibit a favorable balance between volume and competition. It is recommended to choose a minimum of 2 keywords per page to maximize optimization opportunities. Additionally, staying updated on industry news is beneficial as it allows for learning new jargon and keeping abreast of the latest trends. Subscribing to websites like Search Engine Watch or Search Engine Land can provide valuable tips and insights in this regard. Now let me demonstrate one of those websites looks like. If I visit searchenginewatch.com, I find it to be a valuable resource for staying updated on the latest news related to search engines. On this website, you can find articles discussing various topics such as why SEO and front-end developers make an ideal search marketing team, as well as a guide on optimizing your YouTube channel in 5 easy steps. Search Engine Watch provides a wealth of information relevant to SEO and keyword research. Additionally, we can explore other third-party sites like Wikipedia, Reddit, and Quora. For instance, by visiting Quora and searching for dried figs, we can gain insights into what people are discussing on that topic. This can help us generate ideas and build a keyword list. For example, some relevant keyword themes that emerge from Quora search include the health benefits of dried figs, the safety of dried figs for diabetes, and the best ways to consume dried figs. Now, let's proceed to tip number 2, which emphasizes the significance of producing high-quality content to drive increased website traffic. In essence, the core focus lies on the content itself. Although we have already conducted keyword research, the next step involves merging the outcomes of our research with the creation of a top-notch content. This process entails integrating the identified keywords seamlessly within the content to optimize its relevancy and visibility. SEO involves more than simply creating content based on keywords. It encompasses a broader scope, which is why the significance of high quality content is consistently emphasized. Now, let's discuss some tips that can assist you in producing such content. The first step is to focus on publishing longer and engaging content. Research has shown that content that is both longer in length and captures readers' attention tends to achieve higher rankings on Google. The reason behind publishing longer and engaging content is that it provides more material to work with. With a greater quantity of content, you have the opportunity to optimize and structure it effectively. You can incorporate various assets such as videos and images to enhance its appeal. By maintaining a longer length, you increase the likelihood of keeping the content engaging for readers. Google tends to favor well-organized and structured and lengthy content because it is more likely to provide a satisfying experience for users. It is essential to include the target keywords within this comprehensive and captivating content. It is important to incorporate keywords naturally into meta tag descriptions, title tags, and alt tags. Avoid forcing keywords and focus on maintaining a natural writing style in the content. By ensuring that the content is naturally written, it becomes more engaging. Additionally, using LSI keywords within a content can further enhance its relevance and optimize its search visibility. LSI or latent semantic indexing refers to incorporating related terms and concepts into your content alongside your target keywords. You can freely utilize terms that are similar to your primary keywords. These additional keywords contribute to SEO efforts by increasing visibility and potentially leading to higher rankings. By incorporating natural and varied keyword variations, you create opportunities for improved optimization and a more comprehensive coverage of relevant search queries. If we consider optimizing an e-commerce category page for the keyword "one mix used for men," we can explore closely related keywords to incorporate into the content. For instance, relevant keywords could include running shoes for men, sports running shoes for men, outdoor sports shoes, or air cushion shoes. To gain insights, let's take a look at an example on Amazon by visiting the "One Mix Shoes for Men" page. When examining the page on Amazon, it becomes apparent that each product is accompanied by specific content such as its title. It is crucial to utilize different descriptors for each product. For example, using terms like men's running shoes, breathable lightweight gym sports shoes, lightweight casual sneakers, or walking casual sneakers can enhance the optimization efforts. These keywords are LSI related, as they are similar to what we aim to optimize for and provide a broader range of relevant terms for search engines to associate with a target keyword. In the realm of e-commerce, it is not always necessary to heavily focus on branding or stick to a single keyword. There is a room for variation, particularly when dealing with different products. To ensure that the content is easily readable, incorporating visuals, subtitles, and bullet points can be helpful. When it comes to e-commerce pages, it is essential to have a well-structured layout that is easy to read. In the example we're looking at, the descriptor seamlessly integrates with the title, creating a cohesive and natural-sounding content presentation. The page on Amazon demonstrates a consistent and well-organized layout, making it easy for users to navigate and understand the information provided. To enhance readability and engagement, incorporate visuals, subtitles, and bullet points into your content. This approach helps break down and structure extensive or substantial content. By utilizing these elements, you can make the content more engaging and organized, thereby reducing the bounce rate. There is a direct correlation between engagement and bounce rate. The more you structure the content and include visuals, subtitles, and bullet points, the higher the engagement levels, and the less likely users are to leave the page without taking further action. It is crucial to share customer reviews and ratings on your webpage, whether you are selling products or not. Testimonials or customer reviews provide valuable social proof and help potential customers gain trust and confidence in your offerings. Returning to the example on Amazon, when we click on a running shoe product, we can see the product image and description. However, to make an informed decision, it is beneficial to access additional information and customer feedback. Customer reviews and testimonials play a vital role in the decision-making process. They provide valuable insights and perspectives, influencing purchasing decisions. On a product page, you can find star ratings and review titles that highlight customers' experiences. Regularly updating content and including testimonials and reviews maintains credibility and usefulness. Gathering customer reviews consistently is crucial for product success, shaping its perception and reputation. Furthermore, refreshing content benefits search engine rankings, particularly on Google. Highlighting product benefits creates a persuasive case for the potential buyers and strengthening its overall appeal alongside customer reviews and product content. And that ends the part of our discussion about digital marketing. I hope you learned something from today's video. If you like it, please subscribe and click the like button. Also, turn on the notification bell to be notified of future videos like this. Have a great day ahead and stay tuned for part 41.